What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing a small little bathroom ensuite reno. We've just started by stripping all the flooring out. I'll give you a look now. So this is where the bathroom's going. All we're doing is stripping out all the cypress. You can keep going, it's alright. All through here, all the cypress is coming out, and then we're going to lower the floor. Get him, Sharp. I said get him. So now we're just cutting out the joist. We're basically going to lower everything down 50 mil so that this here is a nice flush connection. Alright, we've got all the joist cut out now. All we're doing is packing out this bearer along here. We've got two double hundreds going and we're going to bolt back through that bearer. And then joist hanger along this bearer. Alright, so as you can see, we got 1, 2, 3 bolted to that bearer just there. Now we're just going to ratchet that little bastard up and then do the same here. So now all I'm doing is I'm cutting these joists down to length, and then basically what we're doing is putting like a little horn on top of them, and they all sit on top of the bearer, and then they'll get joist hanged to the bearer as well. So I like to use the big sort of the wide section cut, so then for these cuts I just use a smaller saw. And basically I'm taking out 45 mil so that it sits over the bearer by 45 mil. I think that's a bit okay. And I'm leaving 46 on. Alright, so we've got all our joists. We've got all our joists. We've got all our joists in. Now I'm just using these little timber connected screws to get the joist hangers on. They're beautiful for hardwood because you don't have to try to hit into it. Just like that. All the joist hangers on. Now we're ready to start putting down some sky on sheets. Alright, good to go, Maria. going.
Huh?
Oh fuck, I gotta walk in the glue.
Just go slow.
Keep going.
Do you want to put it down?
Yeah. Oh, bloody hell. Lovely.
Lovely.
Yeah, can you tell me when?
Yeah, when?
Block of timber tuck.
Yeah.